One Saturday, Aunt Fifi, Katerina, Aunt Eve, Bella and Steve waited for Pirate Pang at the pier. Pirate Pang came on a big Chinese junk. They all climbed onto the junk. Oh no! Katerina fell into the water. Aunt Fifi and Pirate Pang helped Katerina. They got to Chern Chow in the afternoon. There were a lot of bun towers. The bun towers were tall. Katerina, Bella and Steve were hungry. Pete the Parrot was hungry too. He took the buns from the bun tower and gave them to Katerina, Bella and Steve. The people at the bun festival were angry. They ran after Pete the Parrot. He was very scared. He flew away and crashed into a big net. Katerina helped Pete. Everyone ran back to the pirate junk. They sailed away. They were happy because they ate the buns for lunch.